Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to erase background in Canva. Let's begin. To erase background of an image in Canva, you just have to follow these simple steps. For example, if you want to remove the background of your own image, go to the Uploads tab in the left side panel of your dashboard and upload your image. In my case, this is going to be the file that I'm working with. And I just wanted to let you know that before you can erase the background, you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro. Because you see this crown icon, that is part of the Canva Pro features. That is going to be the background remover. Or erase background, if you will. You see? It's very easy. It's one magic click away. Alright? Now, the background remover tool right here is a pro feature. Alright? Canva will automatically detect and remove the background from your image, leaving only the subject as we use this feature. Now, I'm going to use a different photo here. For example, this one right here. Okay? If I click on the background remover, it will erase the image of the background without any problem. I'm going to click on it. You see that? It's very easy. Again, this is basically available only using the Canva Pro. All right, so you might want to opt for, if you're using the free version, you might want to opt for the paid version. Now, another option is going to upload maybe this guy right here. If you click on edit, if you want to use the magic eraser, the thing is, you can decrease the size if you want to erase the background like this one. Not really the whole background, but part of the background. All right. So if you feel like this grass is like coloring or intervening, click on the erase. That is basically how you can erase background using the erase button. All right. So of course you can decrease the brush size, so that you can fit all the unwanted parts that you wanted to erase here in Canva. All I'm gonna do is click on the erase button right here. You would notice that the background will be easily removed here in Canva, right? Because removing the background allows you to create transparent images here for various design uses like overlays, collage, or product mockups. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.